Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this tutorial about Act Premium Cloud. On occasion there can be a little bit of confusion when it comes to logging in to your account. So to log in, you go to my.act.com, my dot or period, act period coms, at my.act.com. When you start using Act Premium Cloud, there is a demo database that is built in to the cloud account. When you upload your database and you have your own unique database, that will allow you to choose the database you want. And in that case, it will be two choices, your database and the demo. To get to your database, you're going to click on the drop down and you'll have different databases to choose from. Now, the database names are a little bit unusual. But having said that, once you identify your database, just simply click on it and click on Launch Act, and you'll get into the proper database. In the future, if you decide you want to remove that demo database, you can do that. But I often recommend keep that there because if you have a new employee that you're trying to train, that's a good place to let them get their feet wet using Act Premium Cloud in the demo database. They can go in and mess around and do whatever they want, but it's worthwhile to keep it there. So again, all you do is click on the drop down and choose the database you want to get into. In this case, I have more than two databases, but that's your option. Thank you for being here. Have a great day. Be well, my friends.